Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular dashcams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the VIOFO 3 Channel 2.5K dashcam. We will look at their features, performance, and which one offers the best value for your money. Let's dive in. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo features a front camera that records in 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, while the rear camera records at 1080p. In contrast, the VIOFO 3 Channel 2.5K dashcam offers a 2.5K resolution for the front camera, providing slightly better clarity. However, both rear cameras record at 1080p, ensuring decent quality for rear footage. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo comes equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing for easy access to footage and location tracking. It also features HDR for improved night vision. On the other hand, the VIOFO 3 Channel 2.5K dashcam offers triple-channel recording, which provides additional coverage but lacks Wi-Fi connectivity. When it comes to pricing, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the VIOFO 3 Channel 2.5K dashcam is significantly more affordable at $79, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for basic dashcam functionality. In conclusion, both dashcams have their strengths and weaknesses. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo excels in resolution and features, making it ideal for those who prioritize high-quality recording. Meanwhile, the VIOFO 3 Channel 2.5K dashcam offers a more affordable option with triple-channel recording. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.